Does aloe vera make your hair grow thicker? Yes, aloe vera promotes healthy hair growth thanks to a special enzyme found in aloe called proteolytic enzymes. These enzymes effectively break down dead skin cells on the scalp that may clog hair follicles. If hair follicles are blocked with excess sebum, dirt, or dead skin, they won't be able to grow properly. Aloe can also help cleanse the scalp so more nutrients can penetrate the hair follicle, helping hair grow faster and more efficiently. How to use aloe vera to get thicker hair? For a homemade solution, a person can try rubbing some pure aloe gel into the scalp and letting it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing. Some people mix the aloe with coconut oil or olive oil. People can use this treatment once or twice per week. Are there any side effects of using aloe vera? There are few side effects associated with aloe vera. Generally, it's considered to be an extremely gentle ingredient that's safe for sensitive skin, too. However, aloe vera allergies do exist. If you haven't used aloe vera before, it's always a good idea to try a patch test first. Apply a little bit to the scalp and a section of hair to make sure you have no reaction. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.